Come, let me hold your hand. Allow me to hold your hand and lead you to the healing journey you have been longing for. Mama Buma Siabonga, for leading us to the healing journey. Jehovah, who our greatest healer, you are our Redeemer. Thank you for the great joy you have done on the cross, so that we can heal by your wounds. Come, let's heal together with Mama Buma.
Greetings, Lochani Dumelang. Welcome to another segment with Mama Buma. They say dingibo kutsho ukuthi ngwakachili ngududuzile. Chili. Mahlangu, Mabuma. That's me. Welcome, mndeni wami. Thank you for tuning in again. Please do subscribe. Please do share the channel. Please help us grow, because we really want to grow like Kwamampela Spunukula. And we want to get out of this room, and take the healing to people now, literally make it the practical side. We want that there's membership, level 1 and level 2. Please join the membership. And on the end of each and every episode, please click the super thanks to help us grow this platform. Right. I am starting a sister podcast, let me say that, which will be conversation without edge with Mama Buma, where we're going to have unfiltered conversations. We're going to talk Kuluma without judgment. We're going to bring different perspective, because we are different people, we are different women. So we are going to bring the different perspective to each and every home. Namhlanje, I've got three beautiful women. That means 3 different perspectives. That means 3 reasoning skills. And ngisho niyamazi omunye sovana sivakashele right through ibloom lethu libuyile lithe Mama Buma ngiyabuya. But no, by the way, the people at home insist on this woman. They want her. Bayamfuna. They just want her. The other day when me and her had a conversation, so this guy is a Xhosa guy. He called me, said to Mama Buma, yabona oyasese nothetha naye efonini. Hayi lo yasisi usmart ngathi hayi usile wena baba, ngisho umbali ubhizi uyanimela nimadoda athi hayi usmart usisi. So ngathi let's hear the smartness, because angisho yamfuna lamadoda asibone lo smart namhlanje. We are conversations without borders with Mama Buma. Shukuthi no filter whatsoever. And you all know Peladi, she's just returning. You know our flower, Mbalentle Mota. And we've got a new, very beautiful woman. Let her introduce herself. Hello, Sisi.
Awanduma.
Unjani? Khuluma nesikhethu niyamusa. Ungubani mntazana ekhaya?
Ngikunompumelelo ngawachili.
Yeah, chili. Yeah, baba. Unjani Sisi?
Ngiyaphila njani stand?
Thank you for traveling so far to come and sit in this panel with these beautiful ladies. Thank you, Flower, for always taking our invite seriously.
My pleasure, Mama.
Ngiyathokoza. Thank you, Sister P, as beautiful as you are.
As always, my sister.
Thank you, Mama. So today we're going to talk, and asqaleni lana. Okay, now we know who's sitting here. We are going to have this conversation, but now let's take it back kancane nje ukuthi ngini vula amehlo ukuthi ubani lapha ekuqaleni sithe unompumelelo wakachili. So one thing about Mpumi, she's into polygamy. Uzositshela ukuthi why. Right Mpumi?
Yeah.
Ungasichazela kancane mntwana ekhaya.
Okay, angithokoze. Banginilotshise kodwa ngimuntu onethando for ipolygamy. Akusingoba mhlambe kunento echodako or mhlambe kunalangi kungafinyeleleki khona, but ngibona kuyinto engcono ukuthi ube into polygamy, because kunezimo esiqalana nazo sibafazi ofisa ukuthi ungathi ungazithwalisana nomunye umama. So yeah, leyo mabanga amanye engwathanda khulukhulu.
Thwalisana nomunye umama umtshado wakho. Lawa, what do you think about that?
About the polygamy?
She just said, she gave us her reasons, and she just said she ufila ukuthi imitshato eminye you do with that ukuthi uthwalisane nomunye umfazi. What do you think about that?
To be quite honest, Mama Boma nabo sisi bami abasha ngizifanele bona. Like I said last time, each to their own.
Oh, with that being said, like I said last time, Flower, my people complained.
Okay.
They said you came here
Yeah.
giving excuses.
Okay.
Athi lo sesomuhle ufuna necouchini azozizela nama excuse angaveli nje abeke indaba ngendlela engakhona.
Okay.
Yara but you awufike pointing.
Okay. To answer that,
Yes, please.
Mama Boma, there are many podcasts that people can go to where they'll get an answer. In this podcast, we're all about education and healing. I was not here to disregard or to paint my husband bad. I was here to educate abanye futhi nabo abacommentile who enjoyed the podcast to say it happens and these are the steps that I took. It's so ironic in life ukuthi njalo sifuna la kuthukwa khona Mama Boma la sidelela khona abantu. From what I know and from what I know you as a person, you're not that kind of a person. And akhona ama podcast njalo. Yabona? I'm not saying abalandeli bakho bahambe baye kulawo ma podcast, but I'm saying here we're all about healing and educational. So I had to go deep in order for a person to understand.
Yeah.
And again, Mama Boma, I'm not for everyone. I can never be for everyone. And sometimes people hide behind accounts where they've always wanted to discredit you as a person. So they hide emva keyboard. We can never know loyo muntu loyo ukuthi ubani. How well do they know me? And yeah, they said their own truth. I'm sticking to mine. And if I'm not for you, I may be for another person. And it's okay.
But anyway, the truth of the matter, people did enjoy,
Thank you.
and that is why we are back.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go back. Lelo just said, Unompumelelo said, she wants to be in polygamy ukuthi azobambisana nomunye umfazi. What's your take?
With all due respect, personally, mina, I wouldn't say emshadweni khona into engadinga omunye umfazi angibambise ngayo. However, ukhumbula ukuthi as much as sinelwane ezi-different Mama Boma nanibosisi bami na even in the human species kunjalo. There are people who are monogamous and there are people who are polygamous. And we have to respect both ways. Because I'll be speaking from a monogamous side, I would say I wouldn't want another woman to help me. But because she's speaking from a polygamous side, which I respect fully, if it makes sense to her,
That's her view.
that's her view.
Sis P?
Mina ngeke ngisimayindi isithembu. Ukuthi ukubambisana nomunye umama as saying, but I think our husbands cheat. So in my own mind or in my own view in all this thing, cheat a professional. Yabona. Kwazi ukuthi ukhona umpumelelo ukhona ophilayo. Mangekho kuphiladi ukumpumelelo. I think singabambisana. Akibonile problem na taba ya step. Yeah, I don't see it as a problem. I don't think it can also challenge me if I was married and my husband would come and introduce this thing and say, ngibone u lelo or ngihlangane no Flower. And what do you say? Obviously, kuzoba sibo mama man. Khotlo that element of jealousy. Maybe there's something better ayibonile mina enganayo. But mas ngahlala phansi sikhulumisane kahle. Mina isithembu angismind at all. I don't have a problem. And
what are your views?
Bengicela ukubuza ukuthi wena mina mangathi ngiyeza lapha kwaMabhuma bengicela ukuzokuhlalisana na.
Cha.
Yeah. Ungangikhatha.
Vele nje
Ungikhatha.
nomseleka kangeni nongena ngomnyango. Vele phuma ngaphandle. Yeah, outside you go. Awungeni nje ngongena nje kwami. Sorry. No, I'm not for polygamy. Unfortunately, I don't want that. I don't want to see myself in that. I'm not even dreaming about that. Unfortunately, that's ututu. And you are for me and you are mine alone. If you feel good you can't deal with Mama Puma, then you want Flower, then you can by all means go to Flower. I won't stop you. But me and you need to do it correctly and cut ties. Okay. So now, Lelo, with the expectations that you know, this tempo that you've experienced so far, have your expectations been met? What's the experience there?
What I can say is ukuthi some of them they've been met, but okuningi kusengakamithi of which ukuthi nge experiencing even now back then.
Is it a good or bad experience so far?
Up to so far is good, even though kunobumbi bayo, but okuningi kwayo is good.
Okay. Flower, has the expectations been met in your marriage?
No.
It's a 5-year marriage, right?
Yes.
Has it been met?
No.
Good or bad experience?
70-30. 70 been good. 30 been bad. I'm a human being. Ngiyazwela. Bangathi futhi ngiyachaza, but le ngifuna ukuyichaza. Thina abantu Mama Bhuma empilweni. Umuntu noma ngayenza ukuhle kangakanani. The bad thing that's going to happen, it's going to leave a mark compared to the good that they have done. While sitting today, I had a conversation, Sis Lelo, I just want to bring it to the table. And I was telling her about my marriage. One thing that I've sat down and analyzed is the fact that Asjolang,
Okay.
right? We met in less than 6 months, we got married, meaning all the troubles or the tribulations zomjolo sizifeza within umshado.
Okay.
Akufani nomuntu othe ngijole noSam for 10 years and then sashada on year 11, meaning bandlule entweni eziningi kule 11 years abangashadanga basemjolweni. So thina the experience yonke into ngesikhathi esiwani. So obviously I will capitalize on the bad because I've never seen certain areas compared to the good. But to be quite honest, 70% is good. However, there are certain elements that can make the marriage sour, like finances, such things.
Okay. You were once married
Yes, madam.
and you got divorced, right?
Yes.
How has that been treating you?
He's a good friend of mine. Yeah.
After the divorce now?
No, after the divorce, he was brutal. Ake ngikhuluma iqiniso ya. After divorce, kwavele esinye isilwane nami ngacakeka ngathi kani, and then it made me to even be proud of myself ukuthi I did file for a divorce, because ngikholela ukubona ukuthi bengigibela ibhasi eli wrong. But later on, we started being friends because mina I'm a lover of peace. You know, I love peace so much. I'm the one who approached him. Ngamtshela ngathi akuthushi gore nalona remedy enemy. You are my family. Why? Because we share a son. So there's no way ukuthi mina nawe sizoloko sidlulana endleleni ngathi asazani. And ngapha we share a son. We able, so can we put our differences aside and raise a boy who's gonna be very much healthy uyayibona ukuthi he can go to his dad, he can come to mommy and things like that, and I gave him a chance. Wamlanda umntwana kwabamnandi, and we're speaking now. I called my ex-mother-in-law to come and fetch the child because naidala amangamboni, and I mean it affects me because I don't have a relationship with my father's side. You know, it's so to me it's too personal. I just wish that my kids can have a relationship with their dad and the other side of the family. So after that, he applauded me so much.
Did you work hard for your marriage? Are you sure?
For what? Ukuthi, for me to stay or... Yes, I don't know what is working hard. Ne? But those who knows me when I was married, who knew me then when I was married, and who see me now, it's a different story. It's a serious shift, even me in my life. As a believer, I've seen God opening up my eyes and showing me miracles and taking me forward and climbing steps. Ik bin lapha emshadweni bengihleli endaweni eyi-1 ngingakhona ukumuva, you know. I want to leave an impact. I want ukuthi mangihamba la emhlabeni one day kuthiwa sale khwaba le Pheladi. But in that marriage, there was no Pheladi. I didn't have a voice. I love a lot of things. I love preaching. I love being out there, but I couldn't. So working hard, maybe ngathandi makeup because mina ngine problem. I don't like makeup, and ngathi indoda yami bekathanda the makeup, and maybe I didn't work hard in that part, but I just couldn't be somebody else that I'm not. And it was painful.
No, I feel that maybe you know, as new generation, we rush to the divorce court. I don't know, that's my take.
Oh yeah.
That's Mama Buma, but I'll tell you why I'm saying that. Lelo, what's your take on divorce? And divorce. What's your thinking around divorce? When what happens will lead you into the divorce court. Shuti wena nje, as a human being, as a woman growing up, you know, obviously all of us foresee something, right? What is your foreseeing nje divorce? Now, when two people come together, then the next thing it hits divorce. What's your take?
I guess kusuke kunezimo ongasakwazi ukuzibekezelela. Because as umuntu ongumama uyahlala ubekezelela isimo uzama ukusishintsha kufikela ukuthi awusakwazi. Bese kuba na ugcina khona uthatha isimo akusiyinto erehe, into elimaza ukuthi mase sihlukana kunabantwana aba-involved osemele baphile kabuhlungu abasakwazi ukuthola ithando lela kababa noma esikhule silithola, but ngibelivela ukuthi nase bathatha leso sinqumo kusuke kusengaphezu kwamandla abo angasakwazi ukuthi bangabekezelela leso simo bakiso.
So you would divorce if it comes to a push?
I can't say sisi, but I think izobe sengizamile. Mangizame ngazama wangabi nomehluko, try again, I'll still divorce.
You will take that route. Flower?
I think it divorce, and you can correct me, happens when you feel like you're fighting alone for your marriage. Once that other person is willing to, when that other party is willing to let go and they're no longer putting up a fight, but when two people are willing to make it work, let's fight. Because kunzima to go on a battlefield alone, where the other one has already given up long time ago. Now, the question is, would I divorce if if I get to find myself in a marriage alone, yes. Because marriage is for two people. If kuyenzeka ukuthi ubaba Motha is no longer
Invested.
invested in the marriage, I would have to walk away because it means he's invested somewhere else. And kubuhlungu to live in something that you used to call a home that has become a house, while somebody is building a home somewhere else. So yeah, that's my take on it. If I find myself being the only one on the battlefield trying to fight for my marriage, I would definitely walk away because it's not worth it. What's the point of fighting? You can't fight for someone to love you.
Don't you guys think that we are modernizing everything?
In what aspects?
In all aspects, especially now that we are in marriages, Bafowethu, I think we are modernizing everything. We want everything to be perfect. We want this picture perfect everything. And I normally hear women, would say, God, give me a tall, dark, handsome. You have specifications. You have a menu in front of your eyes. But now your tall, dark, and handsome is not pitching. Kuza umkhaba.
Can I just say something? I love what you just said. Ne? Mina ngifuna ukubekela ngesizulu. Ne? Because dala i-divorce ayingekho. Right?
Yes.
Can I just go deep with the aspect yomshado ngesintu?
Yes.
If I can. So ngesintu indoda yakulobola, right? And then iyazizombesa.
Yes.
And then uphuma ne-kiss egini, right? This kiss symbolize ukuthi uyafa egini, uyovuka, you're getting reborn in another house, which is your husband's home, right? Even the Bible says a man and a wife will leave their homes and go.
Yes, girls.
And go into their own land and build their own family. Now I'm going back to isiZulu, ne? So ngesiZulu mama Boma uphuma egcekeni lakini uma egate kuzabo mama abadala, ne? Bakhipha impahla zonke. Usala ungcono, ne? And then beza nengubo entsha, bakuvala ngengubo, ne? Then impahla lezi ziyagoqwa lezo zigcokile ngofika egate. Then bakutshela ukuthi ungabuke emuva. Right? Ijeni yakho. So ijeni yami nabantu bakamathenjwa iyaphela lokho
yaphela.
Mekuphuma ikissed, ne? Then kunento abayibiza isincindi. Ne? Kulomese lona bona abantu bamaZulu abawuphethe ne. And then uyayalwa. Right? Lo meselo le kissed ihamba nedalwa zakini. Right? Mina ezakamathenjwa. Nyongena nazo kwami. Isincindi esokulwa izimpi zasemshadweni wami. Right? So umama usala nensila yami. Fana nokuthi it's that day of the funeral. The last clothes that I was wearing. That's the only thing she's left with. And then uyahamba uyohlala la bengihleli khona iviki lonke. Ngisho umshado uyawuzilela. Umama kuyahamba uyohlala labo uhleli khona iviki lonke. Uyazila. Uthandazela ukuthi umshado wakho
ube successful. Okay.
Right? Uyahamba uyoma ngaphandle sangweni
Lakamotha.
lakabondoda.
Lakamotha.
So sengime ngaphandle kaMotha, right? And then kuyongena abantu basekhaya bayobheka inkomo. Lekumele ukuthi iwe. Mina ngikuphi? Ngine-kissed.
Nale knife manje.
Nale knife. Right? Ngisazilile ukhumbule ngoba ngizongena. Then mele ngiyochamela esibayeni. Then mengichama ngiyazisho ukuthi ngubani. Ngize ngani. I'm getting reborn. So why am I explaining that? Ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi i-divorce yayingekho kudala due to the fact that you have died again. You're getting reborn. You can't die here again and get reborn somewhere else. So uMotha sekangakhele indlu ngisho mina. Isibaya sakhe boMotha siyazi ukuthi umntana omusha yimi ngumakoti la ekhaya. yimi ozokwazi ukwenza umcombothi la ekhaya ngaphandle kwami akekho omunye, right? Sesakhohlwa isintu to the extent yokuthi even our own husband have lacked in their leadership when it comes to marriage. Now, you cannot follow a leader who has forgotten why we're really here. Because it starts with him, Mama Boom. You understand? Even though he will not initiate a divorce, but his actions will make me initiate it.
But why are you initiating it? Because you are not the one that asked for marriage. I doubt there's a woman that would say, Mabuma, marry me. It's always Mabuma saying, marry me.
But now, in a case where Mama Buma, Ubaba Buma, akasahlala endlini, ngifuna ukubonisa situation. Akasahlala endlini, Ubaba Buma akasabuyi, no longer eating dinner together. He's no longer taking care of you financially, emotionally, sexually. Right? And even if when he comes sexually, he leaves you STIs. You're a human being. Those are the real things that people go through.
Are happening in today's world.
Exactly. You married this man, if firstborn, when you get pregnant, you get tested, you are HIV negative. With that born, you find out that you're HIV positive. Now, this man has crumbled your life. How do you sit and say, because you initiated marriage, I can't walk away? However, your health, what about your health? Because I'm a STI, they cause cancer. There's so many deep things. Because you're not protecting me outside. Mama Puma, hear me well. If he's doing it the way usisiphila dibeka khuluma ngakhona ukuthi kunesithembu, mama decide ukuba nomama mncane. Noma ngingasifunanga. But at least I can have a voice to say, okay, is anosisiphiladi? Some your tester. Right? Mabasenza ama-test wama STIs so that I don't find myself sick and dying and leaving my children. Right now, even though we don't want to modernize izinto Mama Buma, but there are illnesses that we can't cure. Kuna ma STIs, abo-chlamydia, like it's uncurable. So umuntu mekazokuletha because naye akalali nomuntu amaziyo ukuthi unani. Ubona umbala nje anebunu anama hips, and he goes for that. He loves that. But what if I'm carrying a big STI azoyifakela wena? What then? Are we supposed to walk away when we're sick?
No, I'm not saying walk away when you're sick or anything. Me, not just personally, as a young woman of today's era, I feel like as women, we are not fighting enough for our marriages, Flower. Divorce rates are so high. Mina, I'm saying if you choose to go out and uyoba indoda kapheladi and you leave me, then so be it. Go. Why must I pack my things and disrupt my kids and destabilize my kids and leave? Ekaya, they as you said, I left Ekaya. I don't belong at Chile. There's no room for me in that house anymore. So manje sefane ngiye manje bantwana bami manje sesikrempene like it's traumatic for our kids. So now this man is not saying, even if he say leave my house, whose house is it? Because it's our house. It's me and your house, and you are the one that don't want this marriage anymore. So you are the one that's leaving. Because mina ngisho ngisawufuna lo mshado. And when I was no, but hello. Uma siye court umthetho favor bani konje?
Yazi sisine. Kunezinye izinto umshado. As a divorced woman. Now I'm talking as a divorced woman.
Step in, yes.
Ne? Everything is spiritual. Ne? Umshado, it's way too deep. Akusinto kudlala. It wasn't easy for me ukuthi ngithi ngiyaphuma manje angisamfuni ubaba Makhubele. You know, as I've said earlier on, he's got his own story that he can tell, but kunzima kakhulu ukuhlala in a situation where you can see ukuthi now you are dying. The only option for you is to go.
What was dying for you, P?
dying for me, it's being in a relationship alone, in marriage alone. And me being in marriage alone, this person, it's not there. He's there, but he's not there.
What are you looking for? Do you want to go with him to Woolworths? Funa bana Woolworths.
Yeah,
Ngibambe izandla.
mina ngilelo vele.
Ngifuna ubamba izandla niye Woolworths.
Ngifuna sibambe izandla siye Woolworths bese
What else do you want?
ngene kitchen sipheke.
What?
Bese
That's another problem.
sihlale lapha etafuleni
No,
sidle together.
no, that's
Bese
another problem.
Singene ebhavini sogeza sithu. Bese kusuku singene embedeni sithu. Manje wena mangishiya mina ungikhiyela lapha.
Are you guys twins? Why do you want to do everything with him?
It's because that's you know utando, ne? Utando mina, that is why I'm always advocating for love. Ne? Utando, we see it in different, we define it in different mina,
ways.
I can talk about love and then she can come in and say that's not how I love. And we have love languages. And
Wait,
yeah.
Talking about love language, what's your love language, Lelo?
Kimi ngingasho ngithi I don't have much nge-love language but ngithanda ukuhlonipheka, ngithanda indawo kababa kube indawo kababa neyami
Which
kube
is what?
ngeyami.
What is Ndawo Kababa for you?
As a provider ukuthi abe khona nami ngibe ngumama ngidlale yami indoda, angifuni ukuthola ubaba mhlambe, even though mhlambe if nge-birthday yami or something angafisa ukuthi angiphekele, but ngibelivela ukuthi lo kumberego wami as a woman to honor him, like ukukhombisa ukumhlonipha. Mind you, abobaba abaningi bayabereka bafike ekhaya badiniwe, thina boma mhlambe sinelakho ukuthi sibereke ama-hour athi uba ngaphasinyana kunabo. Yes, so angeke ngi-expect ukuthi siye 50-50 or enze agoye extra miles kangako ukuthi akhombise ukuthi uyangithanda. Him being there for the kids and us as the family, so that we shouldn't lack entweni eziningi. I believe
So
that it's enough.
your love language, put it, he must be a provider.
Yes.
He must bring money home.
Yes. Yes.
You must lack
Yes.
nothing. Like
Not to say ukuthi ngithole konke but asingasweli ubaba akhona, because nowadays abobaba abaningi abasakwazi ukuprovide, abaprovidelwa abomama. Kuba ngithi a step up instead of ukuthi abobaba benze lokho.
Yes. Inzima kakhulu futhi le.
Because
No, I
I
want
get
to
nayo
come-
ngenye le into eyenza abo i-divorce rate ibe phezulu because abobaba abaningi aba-afford
they are
ukudlula
now
ukufikela
lazy.
kubomama.
No,
Yes.
it's not they don't afford. Nowadays, men are lazy. That's
yes.
my view. They are very lazy. They want roles to be swapped. Hence, we even have, they want the role, but unfortunately, a
Yes.
man needs to be a man.
Yes.
They want submissive provider.
Yes, even
Yes.
the Bible it says.
Even the Bible says.
Even the Bible it says. And
Peladi.
then I love the fact that when your love language is it's having a provider, and we're not just having a provider, you'll be able to be yourself. But just by having a provider, it means that you want that stability, and then you can be ulelo, and then you can give love freely. But I really disagree with you because Mina, you can be a provider and buy things for me and do things for me. But for as long as you don't sit down with me and read a book with me or
Yes.
try to understand me and sit with me, hakuna love language.
Yo,
Yeah.
I'm
So
coming.
differ kanjani?
no, I'm coming. Like those are attachment issues, but I'm coming to you. Yo, like now this guy mustn't go to the toilet. It says here bathroom corner. Not
Not really like that. Not really like that. Not really like that.
Of mina maybe ngilimela sithi mina ngilimela umama Bhuma vele nje.
Yeah, mhlambe kumele mina nami as uphelaji nginama attachment issues ukuthi ngifuna umuntu ahlala alaye.
I-handbag.
Angilunge
handbag
ngendlela.
iyayibeka lapho ikhohle.
Yeah.
Ikhohle. So mina when I'm in love, I'm in love. When I'm in love, I'm in love. Understand?
Maybe that's the reason mina I choose polygamy because angeke ngikwazi ukuhlala nendoda 24/7 akhaya.
Yeah.
So at least maka kumamkhulu I'll get peace of mind. Nginesikhathi sami sokuthi ngibe ngimi ngaphandle kwakho. So mazo ukuhlala nami Woolworths everywhere I go lana no I can't.
Not ukuthi always like that. But I want to be. I want to be with my partner all
No,
the time.
Peladi, you just said if you read a book, the damn man must read
Must
the
read
book.
No, yeah, but I want him to sit with me. Sifunda incwadi bese sizoxoxa ngayo lazy.
Uzayifunda ngesikhathi sakhe. Uzayifunda wena ucede bese yena ngesakhe isikhathi then you will read it too.
Yeah. Uyayibona ukuthi these things they are the clash ga di fitla kae. Why understand? Na for me ukuthi ngi decide ukuthi now ngiya divorce. It was the thing yokuthi I'm not receiving that actually.
Can I ask a question? If you guys can allow me. And I want to ask this directly to Pilati. Is it because, and not in a bad way.
No,
like,
not
I
at
want
all.
you to
Not at
hear
all.
me.
It's okay, my love.
Is it because of your daddy issues that have caused that?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, it's having daddy issues, baby. It's not easy.
Okay.
Having daddy issues, it cripples a person so much in a way yokuthi mase uthanda mawuhlangana nomfana ufuna ukungena ngaphansi kwekhwapha lakhe ube warm, you need that warmth.
Yeah.
And you end up making mistakes. You overcompensate, you over love, you know things like ufuna nami incwadi phela manje.
Imagine.
Sengifuna sis you understand. So for me to not grow up with my father, it made me to see and view men differently.
But I think in this case, and I'm sorry to cut you, and I'm sorry, Mama Puma, but from what I'm seeing and what I'm listening, it's a matter yoguthi you wanted your husband to give you what your dad couldn't.
Which is impossible.
It's
No,
impossible.
even though it can be possible. However, I think as women, ngifuna ukukutshela ngami, I grew up in a household where there was a mom and dad. And before therapy, I used to suffer a lot with relationships. And if you remember, I did mention it in the first episode to say, I used to look at the hands yendo ding shelayo. And if they looked exactly like my dad, ngizomncoma. Because my dad was my first true love.
I think all girls.
Yeah.
All girls, yes.
All girls. So even vice versa, even men, boys, they look, apparently me now, if you could ask my husband, apparently I look like the mom. Even the sisters confirmed, like a lot of people in the family would say, oh, nangu mama Puma, like, I look like the mom. And my husband would tell me, you look like my mom. But in my mind, it wasn't that way. I thought, maybe, the light skin. No, even the features.
Oh, wow.
So even boys do that.
No, it does happen. I mean, I've told you about my issues in my marriage regarding mommy issues and abandonment and all of that. What I'm trying to say is sometimes we confuse psychological traumas with our love languages.
Yes.
And then that's why they always say marriage, premarital counseling
Is important. Okay.
so that they can try to distinguish the two. So you don't end up wanting your husband to play a father role. Yeah,
Or your wife to
or
play
a
a
wife
mother
to
role,
play your
a
mother
mother
role.
role.
Because you'll find that a man is a good father but a bad husband. Right? And then you sit down, and we ask you, if you're saying he's a bad husband, what made him bad?
Yeah.
And then we explain explain. Now, as a person who's done psychology, you get to understand that he wasn't a bad husband. He just didn't know how to be your dad. You know? And ama mistakes with amaningi alapho ezabafazi. You know? Uzothola omunye umfazi, they don't want to be sexual with their husband or be intimate. I mean, that's the word. Be intimate with their husband because they suffered sexual abuse. Yabona. And uthola ukuthi akafuni ukukhuluma ngayo, but the only thing azoyisho ukuthi I don't like sex. But there are deeper issues when it comes to such things. So I just wanted to ukuthi sindlule lapho ukuthi I don't think ukuthi kasesphiladi is the husband issue,
Yes.
but it has to do a lot with her father trauma.
Yes.
which is very understandable.
Yeah.
And hence, therapy is there for such things. And you know, as a person growing up, that I have difficulties in this area, you know, and you try to seek help because no one can replace anyone in this world.
Nobody.
You know,
I
and the
had to-
poor man cannot suffer for what your dad
Next,
did.
do you know, Gute, I had to ukuziyehlisa and go and apologize to him, you know, because it wasn't fair. It wasn't fair. You understand that we are a young couple, we stay together. And when we started dating, it was such a beautiful thing. It was a beautiful thing, even though there was abuse, you know, a lot of substance abuse involved. And I came, Mina, with a small boy, you know, and my small boy, ubabake, it's late. So now it's a bit of a problem for me ukuthi ngizobona umntwana azokhula in that environment as well. Wayibona? And my apology to him, it's for me saying to him, I'm sorry for making you a father while you were not ready to be a father, because he stepped in and he became a dad to my son. And I don't think it was fair. I don't think it was fair. He did that. The only thing he was so much attracted to that guy is he loved my son so much. We able. So this thing, it's traumatic. Gune trauma eningi la ngaphakathi.
True.
So I've put himself as well in a situation. Ngimlimazile naye somehow. So after our divorce, mase ngikhuluma naye ngithi I owe you an apology. I'm sorry, you know, for making you a father isikhathi singakafiki, but I'm also thankful ukuthi you saw a woman and you made me your wife, even though. And the answer that I got, it was like, I loved your son like my own, because it helped me to heal as well. He also has daddy issues. So for him to love my son like that, it was also helping him to heal, you know. So sometimes marriage like that, it will never work out because we both not,
Equally yoked.
yeah, we're not equally yoked. We both fighting different battles.
If you guys realized, P, ukuthi both of you are going through some kind of trauma and you seeked help accordingly, maybe the results could have been different.
We'll still be together even now. I did suggest ukuthi let's go. Mina, I started going for counseling because I felt ukuthi it's like I'm going crazy. Ayikho intombazane efuna ukushada iphinde ibuyele ekhaya kibo are divorced. You know, divorce can make you or it can break you. Mina, it broke me because it broke me so bad. I don't want to lie. So when I suggested ukuthi let's go for therapy, he wasn't interested, you know. He was like, no, he'll heal on his own. And then ngibone angabambisani nami mangifika lapho. And when I started going for therapy, and then that's when I saw ukuthi
But you understand that no man, like, I don't know, maybe we need hangers, but in this normal world that we live in, no man will drop everything and do everything that you want. You understand that, ne? Because iconagale, you know, men like to be men on their own space with their friends. They don't want this clinginess, say, angazi. So according to what you said, do you prefer love or commitment? Because to me, it's like vele wena nanoma ngabe ugaya kasebenzi, just as long as afunda nawe incwadi,
Nkosi yami.
nibambene izandla, but now are you guys not going to be hungry? Niyodlani?
Yeah.
Nibhekene emehlweni?
Thank you. Because you know, Uguti, when you're saying, are you looking for love or are you looking for commitment? I'm not looking for commitment. I'm looking for love, honestly speaking. And that's very dangerous because manje ngingaphuma ku double story yami ngihambe ngiyohlala nawe emkhukhwini. Why? Because there's love.
Mara uyazi ukuthi uthando liyaphela phela thi. Mbaleki,
You know-
what are you
you know,
looking
since
for?
I
Love or
started-
commitment?
If
Now that you've asked me that, I'm looking for a lot of things, those included, however, with different definitions. You understand? Shazi ngithanda uku-explain ane. Njalo mara ke ndanye ngichinje. Mama Puma, the Bible says a man will love you. Husband, love your wife. And then it's your wife, honor and respect your husband. Right? When your man loves you, ukutreat njenge queen, right? And mina, that's one thing I want. I want to be your number one. However, kune question ukhohle ukungibuza yona mina ubabuze bonke. What's your love language? Ukhohle ukungibuza
And
le.
I'm sure.
Because iyela lapho. And then yabo njengami mina, my love language is physical touch. Right? I believe intimacy has a way of solving certain things. Right? Mina, I believe in thobalano. Basho njalo ngeSotho. I believe in sex. That's me. I love it.
Yeah, I hear you love it. But now you meet this guy for the very first time. You give each other numbers. You take each other on the first date. And I believe in our right minds, on the first date, that's where we ask, Dudu, what is your preferences? We cannot say, I prefer sex.
why not? Why not?
Preference in first date.
Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not?
Wena mina ngokunoticile ne uthi modernize izinto but uphinde nawe uzimodernize.
Why not?
Phela wena mhlambe wena nobaba Mabhuma nihlangane sentini. Mina ngihlangane noMothe Davidson. Bengana what's your preference?
Asihlanganise nthini sithando sami ghetto, like we here in Pretoria, but I don't know, as I'm saying, we mustn't modernize things, but for me a lady must be a lady.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a lady, sister, but
Mara manje
I want to
ku-first
tell you,
date,
go first
flower.
date, you cannot go first date. Mina, ngibele taxini, wangithengela amapilisi, ngibuyohlaba iJohnson & Johnson ye-COVID. And I was like, I love the fact that he noticed the nitty-gritty and he's taking care of me. And ngikhuluma ngento yokuthi I fell in love ngePanado. Right? Omunye would say a different story. I understand ukuthi Panado mhlambe 1 rand or 5 rand, I don't know what money. But for the fact that he ran and bought me Panado, I was like, yo. And then the following day he came, he bought me, there's this thing engathi fold over as a KFC box master.
Yeah.
And I want you to understand another thing. I said this, I think, a couple of times. I am hyper independent, meaning whatever I want, I can get myself. Ne? Ipanado bengazithengela, benyakingichaze. But what made me to fall in love was the fact that he considered me.
He
thought of me. He prioritized me. He stopped everything for me. It was the action at the back of it, not the physical thing that was bought. So that's why Nishuguti, to me, my love language is being his first thought. Uyangicabangela and thobalano.
Yes. Okay, let me drive it back just a few seconds ago. I told you that when I speak or have conversation with a lot of women, they say they have this preference. I mean, I'm gonna six-pack, I mean, this, and this. Ne? And now that you are looking for this physique, and now you are given this physique, you're not sure with this physique, how much of a commitment he will be. You're not sure how much of a man that he will be in this relationship, marriage thingy. So loya bhuti nomkhabanyana shem nguye ozokunakekela but awumfuni ufuna u6 pack. And another thing that I can say it out loud, when we talk about commitment and we talk about love, uthando liyaphela. Let's be let's not even run away for it. Mina, I'm 16 years in marriage, 21 years with my husband. I don't think Mina no Mahlang, we are even on the stage of talking about I love you. We don't even do that anymore. No, for maybe attention, for sulking, we're not even about that anymore. It's about commitment. It's about growing this family. It's about the boys. It's about what we can build.
Yes.
That's the truth. We cannot be usangithanda mara. Ngikutshelile ekseni ukuthi ngiyakthanda.
And most of us ladies, manje, we are into this. I just pray so much to this lands on a very fertile soil. This is powerful because tina manje amantombazana, we are looking for love. We are not looking for commitment.
I don't think we're looking for love. I beg to differ. I don't think. No, we're not looking for love. We're looking for a sense of belonging.
For a sense of belonging.
Yes. You can't seek something that you don't have.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You're not sure ukuthi lo muntu lo uzokunikeza uthando.
Yeah.
So that's not guaranteed. You're not looking for that.
Yeah.
That's why, and I'm sorry to make an example ngawe sis Piladine. That's why you'll find That's why you'll find abosis abafana nabosis Lelu who say, I don't mind going in no maguno mamot.
Yes.
It has not. Love can be different to all of us.
It is.
Right?
Yes.
But to be quite honest, every woman wants a sense of belonging. That's why bakwazi ukungena noma ni ukhona. Am I making sense?
You do.
Noma ukhona wena umama Bhuma. Ngiyakwazi mina ukungena emshadweni wakho. Nyibe umama Bhuma wethu. Because women, there are women who don't care about the love. But bafuna the way usisilela shilo ukuthi if a man is a provider, regardless ukuthi uza ne baggage engakanani, I will still take him on. So to be quite honest, siyalibeka uthanda iqeleni.
Sifuna la sozifihla khona.
No, but
Sifuna la siyobelonga khona.
Let Leto come in for that. Please come in.
yes, okay, engingathanda ukusho ukuthi it's not like we're seeking for the belonging. Cause not every mamncane othoma abe side chick. There's a way ekwenziwa ngaso isithembu. Oh, okay. Is akumane nje uhlangane nobhuti estradeni then you just become a side chick. Kune indlela like back then isithembu sasifuna ngumamkhulu. Kwakungabi yindoda eza ne side chick ithi ngithole ulelo endleleni then es kata ngumakhophe nami eminyakeni e3 nawo sengifuna ukumthatha bengimphazama. So angingasho ngithi mhlambe labo okwenzeke njalo wazithola uyi-side chick for isikhathi esinjalo. Mhlambe yes udinga indawo yokubuyelo like la ungafihla khona ihloko like ukwazi ukuba khona
sense of belonging.
But abomamncane banje if you can check they're working. But right, everything they don't lack anything. That is why ngisho ukuthi esithenjini is not like mhlambe kunento ochoda ngayo. But again I can say ukuthi isithembu akusingekisa kabantu nobantu. So angekhe kube ngeyami nawo kube ngeyakho sizokudifara. But then singathi mhlambe we need that lack of sense of belonging. Yes. Because like mina angaze ngibe ngithi umamncane because I was a side chick. No, I was introduced kahle.
No, mina when it comes to side chicks, I'm not talking about that. Yes. As women, when we messy endodeni,
yes,
siyiswa ukuthi we want a sense of belonging. Ufuna ukuba in a marriage setup, ufuna ukuba nabantwana nalendoda, ufuna ukukhulisa umuzi, regardless ukuthi umamncane noma umamkhulu. What I'm saying is as a woman, sifuna a sense of belonging. So uthando usulibekele eceleni. we want a sense of belonging. We want a man to come in and be a man. Abe indoda.
Yes.
You understand? So now that's what I'm saying. When it comes to side chicks, that's another topic of another day.
Okay, so
I don't think are we on that topic? I'm a side chick right now.
No, Angere Lelo was trying to.
Yeah,
no, because kuba ngathi mhlambe
uphendula lento le ngishoyo ukuthi every woman is seeking for belonging.
Yes, the way you
Yeah.
ukuthi okay, as much as ungathola mhlambe kunombali uyangena azi ukuthi usesidudu ukhona. Hence ngiphendule ukuthi akusinjalo, sometimes awungeni ngoba wazi ukuthi usesidudu ukhona, but that thing is in you.
Yeah.
Usukuthanda le ndoda.
Uyayithanda indoda,
Yeah.
yes. And given the roles ukuthi mhlambe ngibe ngumamkhulu, some of us I can still even find umamncane, like ngisho ukuthi iyadalelo ayisingi yakabani nobani.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, true. That's why can I please just ask you a question? When it's you who's married now, and then ubaba sekayeza uthi ubone umbali wena uzokhona ukuba
No, Angere, she's number 2 now, as you can see the ring. So will she accept number 3? That's how you must pose the question.
Yeah, bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi yena kube beyizoqala kuye.
Kim.
If it was
Awu mama boom.
if umama boom
Kufika wena.
bese kufike mina bathi batshela wena bathi phela kunomamncane besicela ukuthi angene endlini.
Anginenkinga nakancane angamletha ubaba, but kunenzathu akosta angibekele zona esizokuye ngazo ukuthi kuba yini. And kuya kuyo nangomuntu angilethela yona ukuthi whatever of a person he's bringing la ekhaya.
The type of a person uyayazi njani?
Yeah.
Umuntu kumele umfunde, uzomfunda and
So
ukuhlala naye
umfunda
like
accepting this, or is it the trial run? Umfunda njani?
yes, accepting this, but I'll give you a chance ukuthi abe khona empilweni nami ngimbone, because I don't have a problem with polygamy. Noma ngingaba ngumamkhulu bangilithele 2 or 3,
Yeah.
it's fine.
So mina ukuthi bangajola. Like bangajola
Wena uloku
wena
usafunda.
loku basafundana wena.
Yes.
No, akafundwa indoda le Flower. Ufundwa nguye.
Ulelo.
Indoda le ngisho yena iyamazi yamthanda ifuna ukumshada.
Imagine
So
njalo
umamkhulu
naye.
indoda no ulelo uthi, if the husband, now she's a mamkhulu, if the husband brings you flower, she won't mind, but she as a mamkhulu, she needs to study you, afunde wena ukuthi umbali umuntu onjani.
Yeah.
Yes, and angithembi ukuthi ubaba mhlambe bekangangilethela umuntu ohluke khulu kunawe.
Yeah, but
Uyakwazi ukuthi njengomkakhe uthanda izinto ezinjani, umuntu onjani, ohloniphe njani nezaka abanye abantu.
I'm sorry,
So,
but
yeah.
I'm the one who said this question, ne? And then the first answer that I got and I grabbed, ukuthi ufanele eze nesizathu
Yes.
sokuthi why athatha.
The second wife.
Yes.
Isizathu like according to you ingaba isizathu esinjani ukuthi indoda ithi ifuna a second wife.
Okay, esokthoma mhlambe kungaba ukukhulisa umuzi, like mhlambe uthe i-target yakhe ukuthi sifuna 5 yabantwana and ngila emshadweni angikwazi ukuba nabo. Mhlambe nginoyi1 or inomntwana oyi1 mntazana, mhlambe ubaba usese nesifiso sokuthi abe nabanye abantwana, amandla akhe enough ukuthi angakhava abanye abantwana. Sisathu sokthoma leso engaze ngimvumele ukuthi okay, you can bring in umamncane. Yes. Kwasukakade isithembu ngibhilivela ukuthi sasithathelwa ukuthi kukhulisa imizi, ayikuthi because of indoda iya afford mele ithathe isithembu.
Yes, ukukhulisa umuzi.
Ukhulisa umuzi.
Like yeah, isithembu engisaziko sakamsele ukuthi uthe ufuna abantwana abayi20 I think. Yeah. So
Yeah.
kusho ukuthi kahle ukukhulisa umuzi ukenza abantwana.
Yes.
That's the reason for polygamy.
It's one of them. Engasho ngithi yes isizathu esizwakala ukuthi mhlambe mina ngibi nabantwana ngiphakathi emshadweni ngilapha ku the age of 45 kuya phezulu, ubaba ufuna abantwana and uya afford ukuthi angaba nabantwana angibi nabo.
So Lelo, at your age, how many kids are you thinking you're still going to bring on this earth for the marriage?
This year,
Like, no, seriously, at your age, how much are you willing to contribute? Ufuna ucontribute ngabantwana
kuzokuya ngokuthi
abayingaki?
baba ufuna ke mhlawumbe ufuna 1 or 2 of which I can still make them.
Makafuna 4 or 5?
I can't. Uzothatha number 3 and I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I think honestly speaking, ne, Stenjin, I don't know. It's because mina I studied that. But But the esithenjini umamkhulu, it's not easy for yena, ne?
kunzima.
Kunzima. Wena, the second one, kuzoba easy for wena.
And
Yonke
it's
into izoba
not
easy for wena because bakuvumela ukuthi ungene. Uzovumela ukuthi unumber 3 angene. Uyayibona?
no but like abomamkhulu abaningi mhlambe ngithi nisuka nabo baba mhlange like usesi uyasho ukuthi ku 17 years marriage uyamazi baba from kudala mina ngifika nje. So obviously kuyoba buhlungu ukuthi indoda lengibe nayo ivuka kungimi ngikhona ngilana yenza lokho. But ngicabanga ukuthi lokho akuhlangani nokuthi umamncane nakafika nje mele afele izinto ezafika back. Kwasi nginesho ukuthi mhlambe isithemba ngeke usithathe ungasi-afford because kesinye isikhathi umama Bhuma uzothi nakafuna something ngimjamise ngithi ngale umamncane usafuna lokho ofisha kusinto erehe leyo. So abomamncane kubonakala ngathi yonke into ilula ofisha akukho lula. Akukho lula yabona njengomama Bhuma uyalwa uthi yena isithembu no. Nakwenzeka ngelinye ilanga ubaba mhlambe understand samthambisa ukuthi okay uya accepta ukuthi isithembu nasi. Kusayokuba nzima ukuthi ngibe ne relationship naye because indlela angathandi ngaso isithembu. Nendlela ayongibona ngakho ukuthi mhlambe mina sengifika ku easy ngikwazi ukuthandana nendoda yakhe phambi kwami. Phambi kwakhe. So kunzima. Abomamncane bathwele nzima just that ukuthi zinengi izinto abangazisho kubonakala ngathi baphethwe njengamaqanda but yeah. Ubunzima lobo phezulu kwabomamkhulu buningi ene wehlela phezulu kwabomamncane. Yes.
Come let me hold your hand. Allow me to hold your hand and lead you to the healing journey you have been longing for. Mama Bhuma Siyabonga for leading us to the healing journey. Jehovah, who our greatest healer, you are our Redeemer. Thank you for the great job you have done on the cross, so that we can heal by your wounds. Come, let's heal together with Mama Bhuma.